What is up, Karol here with Tmail. What I want to show you today is how you can add a Stripe payment form to WordPress the easiest way possible. And number one, you don't need WooCommerce. You can do it in a totally different way, much simpler. This is how it works. And alright, this is my dashboard. This is just a standard WordPress website. So what I want to do with it actually is be able to sell my totally legitimate, totally valid masterclass on how to procrastinate. I already have a good looking landing page for it with lots of interesting copy, with a very good offering, I think, and some interesting product tiers. So I want to sell those through my website, but I don't want to deal with WooCommerce. Is it possible? Yeah, all you need is Stripe and a small additional plugin to connect it to your WordPress website. So the plugin is called WP Full Pay, and it has two options. As you can see, this is the free version of the plugin and you can use it without any feature limitations. However, the plugin will put an additional fee on top of the payments that you're getting to Stripe. Or you can get the pro version available at WP Full Pay, and in that case there's no additional fee. So yeah, pretty simple. All you do is just go into plugins, add new, and in here look for WP Full Pay. And yeah, that is it. The first plugin on the list is the one you need. So just install, activate, and as soon as you activate this plugin, you're gonna see a prompt which tells you that you should connect this plugin with Stripe. So let's do that. So what you need to make it work is, of course, you need a Stripe account. So if you have an account already, then just select it from the list. If you don't, then you need to create a new account. The process with Stripe is kind of simple actually, but it does tend to change depending on your location, on the specifics of your business, and so on. So I'm not gonna go through those in here. I leave the Stripe sign up to you, but for now I'm just gonna show you how to connect it to your site. So yeah, I've selected my account, let's connect it, and basically that has been it. So I've connected my site to Stripe. So with that, we can start creating our payment forms with this plugin. But before we do that, those forms need to actually be able to sell something. So that something is gonna be set at Stripe. So in your Stripe account, just go into product catalog, and in here you're going to be able to create your products. As you can see, I already created one of them. Let's just create maybe the missing two. And yeah, I have the products ready. The products match what I've created in here on my landing page. The products are active, so with that done, I can come back to WP Full Pay, to my website, and start creating new forms. So display name, let's call it Avoider, which is going to be my first product, and this one is actually a subscription. This is going to be a checkout form, which is the type of form that's more optimized if you are displaying the purchase options inside a pricing table, which is basically what I'm doing in here. If you wanted to display a normal complete payment form or purchase form, you would go for the inline version, in which case you would actually see a complete form on the page. But for me, I will select this one. I'm going to show you in just a second what's gonna happen. So let's create an edit form. Cool, the basics have been created. Let's go into payment and tax. And this is where we get to pick the option from our Stripe catalog of products. So for me, this is gonna be the Avoider product. Let's select it. The setup fee, there isn't any. The trial period, I think that given it is a masterclass on procrastination, I don't want to give any trial periods. So let's add plan. It's been added. If you want to, this solution can also handle the tax information for you. So Stripe itself is pretty advanced and it can handle taxes for you. It can calculate tax rates and so on. However, again, this is based on your business and what you're actually doing. So for me, I'm gonna go with no tax this time. Appearance, this is where you get to customize the form itself. The label, I actually want to make it matching maybe my price in here. So let me go to join for $47. It's gonna be okay. If you need more options, you can go into form fields, which will allow you to add additional fields for billing address, shipping address, phone number. Those pieces of information, you probably do need them, so go ahead and set them up actually when you are setting up this whole arrangement. But for me, for now, I'm testing, so I'm not gonna bother with them. And finally, in notifications, you can also set who should get a notification when someone purchases this product. So I'm actually gonna stop here. I'm gonna save changes. Cool, I have the form in here. I can just grab this shortcode, which just clicking on it will copy it to the clipboard. let's go back to my page, let's edit this page, and in here let's edit the pattern, and maybe let's add shortcode, and my actual subscribe button is gonna be in here. That button, I don't need it anymore, I don't need any of it, so let's just save the page. And yeah, this is now my landing page. So I've replaced this button with a button from WP Full Pay, but this one is actually connected to Stripe, to my Stripe product. So if I click on it, I will actually be redirected to the Stripe payment page. And you know, after providing all the information, I would be able to buy this product. Okay, let's add the missing products now. Maybe let's add one more. So the next one, it was called this, but this time it was a one-time payment product. So one-time payment, and in here again, checkout, because we are going to be displaying this inside our pricing table. Cool, payment and tax. Then let's pick the product from the list. This is this one. Let's add it. And just like that, just to show you how quick this can be, get for 197. Okay, let's save changes. Nice, I have it ready. Let's copy the code. Let's go back to this page. Again, let's edit. Let's add a shortcode. This is okay. The buttons, I don't need those now. So let's just delete. Let's save the page. It's saving. And let's view the page again. And yeah, again, I've added an additional button, which is a whole payment form. So this one is for a different product. If I click it, I'm going to be able to purchase this product just as with the previous one, and it's all been done pretty simple. It's all based on payment forms created inside WP Full Pay, and each of the forms is selling one of my products, and then the actual product catalog I can find in my Stripe. And also Stripe is of course how you're gonna handle the payments, all the communication with the customer and so on. It's all been done with WP Full Pay, and the best part is that again, you don't need WooCommerce to do it, and you can get started basically right away. Stripe is gonna process all the payments, and WP Full Pay is gonna allow you to sell your Stripe products on your WordPress site. So do let me know what you think of this solution. Check it out, and in the meantime, don't forget to like, subscribe. There's a lot more content coming up, and see you next time.